Hello. Hello. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how you can create custom stickers in Notion. The first thing you'll want to do is open up your Notion workspace and select the page where you want to add your custom sticker. This is important because the sticker will only be visible on this specific page. Now that we've done that, you'll need to create a new block. To do this, simply click on the plus button and select Image from the drop-down menu. This helps us because it sets the foundation for our sticker. Next up, you want to upload your custom image. You can either drag and drop it into the block or click on the Upload button. The reason we do this is because Notion does not have a built-in sticker gallery, so we have to upload our own images. Once you've uploaded your image, you'll need to resize it to your liking. To do this, simply click on the image and drag the corners. This is a crucial step because it allows us to fit the sticker perfectly into our page layout. Now let me explain why this matters. When you use custom stickers in Notion, you're personalizing your workspace, making it more fun and visually engaging. This not only brightens up your day, but also makes your notes more interactive. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Notion treats these custom stickers as images. This means that you can move them around, resize them, and even add captions to them, like any other image. Lastly, you'll want to repeat this process for each sticker you want to add. Remember, you can use any image as a sticker, so let your creativity run wild. And there you have it. That's how you create custom stickers in Notion. By following these steps, you can transform your workspace into a vibrant and personalized note-taking environment. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep making Notion work for you.